We're walking to breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna eat at Blaze, which is looks like it's Brazilian style, but it just looks like it has awesome bright light eating approved foods.
Yeah, so we're super excited to go, and it's a beautiful spot. It's a little cozy nook on the water, so we'll show you guys. Blaze, so pretty. Jake, what'd you get for breakfast?
I got steak and eggs.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
And some fruit.
Yeah. Some real beautiful views over here at the beach. Just super pretty out.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
This is a fun view over here. I know, those rocks are really cool.
Some oatmeal. How's that fruit?
Really good.
They have the best pineapple here. Oh, this looks so yummy. Salsas, and Jake got the steak and eggs. Sandcastle.
I'm joining Team Shark.
The competition started. Let's see if we can find Jake. There he is. There's Jake. He's on the Sharks team. Let's got a smoothie made. So cute. And even a boogie board that you have to get away from the shark.
Shark's looking good so far. It's pretty rad.
How was it building a sandcastle?
It was awesome. My team was the best.
Yeah?
Got our shark.
So good. Jake's team. They're all swimming. So cute. Building hand sandcastle. This is pretty cute. A whale. How fun. How cute is this turtle? Look how cute. Ooh.
Grab them. Grab them.
Jake, we got the whole pool to ourselves. Puerto Vallarta. Bye, Peggy. How fun is this? We're looking at all the different kinds of candies they have.
I'm gonna take this one.
Want to try that kind?
And some gold coins.
What's this? This one. That looks kind of fun.
This one?
Yeah.
It's a face. I don't know.
You like cotton candy? Yeah, it looks similar to what you had yesterday.
I'll try it though. It tastes very similar.
Yeah, does it taste like watermelon at all?
Yeah, with chili.
Is it good? How's that gold coin?
Delicious.
Does it taste like Mexican chocolate?
Yep.
Back at Blaze for lunch. Blaze. Really? Blaze. Just brought out fresh empanadas and chips, salsa, and pico. These are salad. What were you gonna say?
Oh, this is the anchovy.
That's awesome. I'm gonna eat it. They had chicken wings, so of course that's what I had to order. Jake, what did you get?
I got this New York steak.
New York steak. Jake, lunch number 2.
I didn't get my grains.
The buffet. Jake's looking for steak to go on top of his fries.
That's what I did.
Mexican beef style. Found it. Here, tuna and shrimp. I think we've ate our weight in pico and guacamole every day. Loading up the hotness.
Valentina.
Oh yeah. This has been one of Jake's specialties is French fries with guacamole, pico, jalapenos, and salsa, and hot sauce. Don't forget the jicama.
Yeah, I like the yak.
My lunch round 2, I made a burger.
Now that I can see them. Look at all those
We came to
shells.
look at all the sandcastles.
Where'd they get all those awesome shells?
They probably brought them. It's so cool with all the love. So many awesome sandcastles. Lobby is pretty awesome. What do you think, Jake?
So cool.
Yeah? Would you like a house with those kind of beach views.
Yeah, open air.
Stop by the cafe and they have sandwiches and fruits. It's pretty cute in here. Lots of treat options. Ooh, and fun meringues. Jake found some tarts.
Oh man, and they are like so lemony, limey, they're so good.
Heading to dinner. We just got to a fun dinner.
Yeah.
And look, we got a cute little oil and a bottle of sand.
So cute.
I know, it's so fun. I want to show everyone Jake's suit.
Yeah, we gotta
it's
show
so
everyone
cool.
this outfit.
Let's see it. I love it.
Thank you.
So this should be a fun dinner. Oh hey! How fun! It's Mexico night. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. How fun! Oh my goodness! Brush taco!
Wow, look at all this fun stuff. Wow. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Kelsey wants the corn.